experience in Pilates with a reformer. I think she wasn't a tough instructor though, because if this instructor called Leslie,
yeah,
I'm shaking throughout the class. Like, I've never heard of her before though.
Of Leslie or of this one. Ah,
but it was like the time we could do.
I mean, it was good. Like, you can tell that you work your core. It's just nice to have different kinds of workouts, because I'm fast paced, and I do. That's why I do slow mat Pilates to make it a difference. So I mean, it's cool. I mean, you can really give yourself a chingadazo though if you're training too fast.
Yeah, but I feel like this is why I can't commit to the unlimited Pilates.
Why?
Because I feel like sometimes I need more. Like, I want to lift weights.
But I think you should do the 5.
Yeah,
come once a week.
I mean, yeah.
Because I think that you need weights. I don't think. I mean.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't think I could just do Pilates.
No, I don't think so either.
But people will say that.
People do. Yeah.
I don't know. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just bringing you along to our Saturday. We just finished Pilates, so I took my sister to the studio close by me for the first time. So that video just played for you. But today I think we're gonna enjoy the day. This is their last weekend here before they leave. So if you didn't see my last vlog, my sister's in town. They live in the Dubai area. So they were here for like 3 weeks, and they leave on Tuesday, I believe, which literally makes me so sad to even think about. But we're trying to enjoy their last weekend here. So we just did that. We're gonna get home and like relax, and then later we're gonna go on the boat once the sun is not so intense, because it's already 90 degrees and in the middle of the day is 100 degrees, and it'll also be Camila girl's first time on the boat, so I'm excited. But I hope you stick around and watch, and you know, making these core memories with my people. But I'm so sad that she's leaving. I told her, I was like, I'm trying to be mad at you, so it's not that hard when you leave, because they typically come every summer, or I see them every year at least, and they stay with us for a couple weeks, and every time they leave, it's like I'm depressed. It's just, when people are like, I tell people for COVID, for example, that summer in 2020, they stayed with us for 3 months, y'all, her and her husband, and it was, I know a lot of bad things happened during that time, but that was bliss. Like, that was honestly such a good time. We bonded so much. It was great having them here. So I think we coexist very well, and she cooks for me all the time, and it's amazing, you know. So anyway, hope you stick around and enjoy Saturday with us. Several hours later, because we took a nap. Babies both slept at the same time, so mama took a nap. I woke up like at 6 in the morning. Oh, I'm out of breath. I just put on this bathing suit. I'm out of breath. I woke up at 6 in the morning. Like, I don't know why. And that Pilates class wasn't even hard. I've been needing naps lately, I guess. I'm getting myself ready to go on the boat. And I haven't been, it's been a crazy month, y'all. We've been so busy. So I haven't been like working out regularly. And I feel it, like I don't feel like great, you know. So I just threw on this bathing suit and called it a day. It's one piece, And my hair is dirty, but then I figured if we're gonna go in the lake, why am I gonna do it, you know? So we're getting for that. The boys just want to get haircuts because tomorrow, so exciting, we have Camila's first birthday photos. So I'm excited for that, and then the boys need a haircut, so they'll have a photo with her, hopefully, if they comply. It's just like, I always get anxiety with photos because you never know how it's gonna go. So you just have to take a deep breath and just go with it. You know, I'm drying my hair. I mean, I'm brushing my hair dry. Cringe. But it's so tangled. And I'm trying to like braid it so I could put a hat on. And it's not so messy, you know? So yeah, the boys are doing that, and then whenever they get back, we're leaving, so I want to have like everything ready to go so I could just get the boys ready and we'd be out the door, because we wanted to go on the boat in the evening, and there's like a little sandbar right there, so the sun is not so heavy, because for the babies, you know, especially for Camila, since this is her first time on the boat. I'm like, you know, how many times am I gonna say, you know, I don't know? Lots of times. Don't you hate when you have a braid and then you have one side that is so much? But I'm already too deep. I'm just gonna have to go through with it. So getting ready for that, and I don't have any more. Have Camila's scrunchies. My second holes are doing well, except I lay on them, and I notice whenever I do like lay on that side, which that's how I sleep, I'm a side sleeper, they are sore in the morning. But it's like, what are you willing, like, do you want to sleep comfortably or your ear to hurt in the morning, you know? That's just gonna have to work. I had my room like with the blackout shades, so you know, girlfriend was taking a good nap. So I need to pack my clothes, so because we can pull up at a restaurant and eat dinner, so I think we're gonna do that. Finally on our way. Ya viene la bichota. Oh, oops.
Where's the cooler?
In his.
In his?
We have made it to the boat ramp, but my hat is fucking retarded. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look, like it's the sun is gonna hit me on that side.
It's called fashion.
Fashion. I don't know why the lighting of this has been not great. It's really annoying me. Look, baby girl. Uh-oh, your toy fell. Hi, baby. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? You wanna go swimming? You wanna go swimming? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? What about you, Bash? You ready? Look at that. I love it. You see it? Cutie. How did you do? How did you do? You ready? You ready?
This meat.
Is it Dia? Dia? Do we like her again? What do you think?
That's rude. To be fair, she never stopped like this.
Did I? Estamos aquí en los Fiesta Keys. Pero no, estamos en el Kima. So nice. Yes, baby.
Hello. Bye.
Hey, hey.
Don't my bed. Don't my bed.
Okay.
Like, don't face your way.
Woo! Go, Juju.
No, Camila.
Come on, Gigi. Come on, Gigi. Come on. Yeah, Gigi, jump. Yeah. Come on. Come on. No, turn. Come on.
Papa, hug you. Good job, Juju. Brave. Look, my boys. I love y'all.
Love you too, sweetheart.
Say, I'm hungry. You're hungry?
Hey, can we go up there?
Gonna stop
Hold
and
on.
eat some
Can I go
pizza.
up there, Papa?
In a minute.
Fucking dope.
Don't move.
Oh, qué guapo, qué chulo. Boys, did you like your dinner?
I'm just gonna drop the boat off tomorrow.
Okay.
Can I go with you?
Tomorrow, yeah.
Look how nice this
Right now,
looks.
we're gonna go home.
Okay, go drop
Can you
Well, I
say
guess-
good night? Good night.
Good night, my sweetheart.
Good night, my sweetheart.
Mwah.
No, it's gonna fly.
Going home now. They're loading up.
Right there, it'll fly.
Camila girl did so good, dude. Like, I am so thankful that all the kids have done great their first time on the boat. They just love it. They just chill, and you know, you love when they love to do things that you love to do. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. We're gonna take them a bath and everything when we get home, so it's gonna be chaotic. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.